Here you go.
Got it.
Good job.
Got it.
High five. All right, we'll put the filter bottom on now. And look at the bottom. You have to do the bottom first.
Don't wait.
No. You gotta do the bottom first. No, right here. I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. The bottom first. See right here? Right there? They go in there. I'll show you. Right here. Now rotate it up. Push hard. Push hard. It'll snap. Make it snap. Yeah, now you got it. Got it. All right, let's see if it works now. We just rebuilt the carburetor. Here, Alex, hold the phone, okay?
Okay.
You can be my cameraman?
Yeah.
Let's see if it starts. It's already going. It's already going. All right, keep recording. Keep point that towards the mower. Well, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, it took 2 times, but we fixed it, didn't we? We rebuilt the whole carburetor and fixed it for the 2nd time, but this time it worked. Yeah. Back to life now. Welcome back to life.
Oh.
It smells like victory. All right, well, let's start it back up so we can burn the rest of the stuff off. And all right. Watch your face. Watch your face. Watch your face. Hey, we did it. We fixed it. Y'all, these boys get. I mean, we did fix the mower. Okay, so that's yes, but they helped me. We and I didn't record it, but we ultrasonic cleaned it for the 2nd time, but this time we really, I put some special, get her done stuff in there, and it got her done because that thing was clogged up inside. But anyway, it's been broken for, I don't know, a while. And they're so happy that they got it, they got it fixed, so it makes me feel good as a dad to be able to teach them these things so they don't get, suckered in life, and they know some things. So I'm just trying to teach them some things. So teach your kids some things, okay, guys? Anyway, tell the ones that you love them. Make sure they feel that right here, guys. Tomorrow's not promised. J-Mac it out for now, okay, guys? Love you. Bye.